Hi everyone, thanks a lot for watching this short video. So in this video, we are going to talk about how CyberArk PAM solution can help you to generate a short-lived credentials to use within your AWS CLI or with any other XYZ application. So here, if you go to the CyberArk marketplace, if you search it with the AWS CLI, so you are able to see we have recently come up with a new plugin. So we call it a AWS or Amazon Web Services CLI with STS. So in this plugin also, we will be leveraging upon STS based service, and using this STS based service, we will be assuming a role. And for that specific role, we will be generating a short-lived credential that can be used by your privileged administrators to go and connect to the AWS console. So this is a little bit about on the marketplace. If you go to my IAM management console, you will see I have configured one local user. But within this local user, what I did, I have assigned a access key and a secret access key to rotate all these keys on a periodic basis. So the risk is going to be very less. Apart from that, if you're able to see a STS assume policy, as per this specific policy, you are able to see, so this specific login account can assume a role for a different resource purposes. So for this particular demonstration, what we will be doing, we will be assuming a S3 full access role in this specific account, and that's where you are able to see I will be able to list down all the different bucket. So this is a little bit configuration on the AWS side. And then if I go to my my client machine, my PAM console, in the PAM console, we will be doing a couple of things. The first thing is if I log in as a my Vault admin user called Mike, so you will be able to see I have already onboarded all these accounts. So I simply have to search it with the STS. So here you are able to see I do have one login account. Apart from that, I have created 3 privilege account. In the privilege account, if I go to the details section, so you are able to see we are going to assume a different roles. So that's the whole idea of this, creating 3 different privilege account, and I will be using this login account to authenticate to the AWS side. So here, so what we are going to do, so this one is our Vault admin user. So what I will do, I will log in as for example, as a cloud developer. In this case, we are going to log in as a Claudia. So here I will, once I'm able to log in with Claudia, again, this entire access can be secured using MFA. So, and here, so you are able to see all the different options. So let's take an example. If I wanna assume a S3 full access role, so what I can do, so here I go to the S3 full administrator role. So as of now, I don't have any options to simply go and connect. So what we can do, we have put a approval workflow. So I will click on a AWS CLI. I will see want to connect to AWS for troubleshooting purposes, or to look at the logs, and S3 bucket. So then after that, you can mention a time frame. So we are going to mention a time frame. As of now, it's like 4:45 p.m. So we are going to put a request, and then you can define whether you want to have a single access or a multiple access here. So once you put a request, so what's going to happen? This request has been sent to your managers or the approvers. So here I will click on a incoming request. So here you are able to see Claudia has put a request again. You will be able to see this entire reason or something, what Claudia has put together. And depending upon if you think this request is legit, then you can simply click on a confirm button. And then you can provide a reasoning as well. So once you click on a confirm button, so then what's going to happen if I go to the Claudia side, if we refresh, so you will be able to see the green color button here. It means request has been approved. So what we can do, we should be able to click on a connect button. So once we click on a connect button, so we are using AWS CLI as a connection component. So once we do that, so you are able to see, we are going to assume a role. Here you can define for how long you want to have this particular session, or you want to generate this session tokens. So here we are going to keep it like for 30 minutes only. So what we are going to do, we are going to use a Windows command prompt. Okay, I think we have to click on a generate credentials first. Once we do that, you are able to see these credentials are going to be valid only for like 30 minutes. So then what we can do, we can simply copy and paste. So here, what we are going to do, we are going to open our notepad. So once we are able to open a notepad, so you're able to see, so with the help of this short-lived credential, we are going to generate the access key, secret access key, and the session token. So now what I'm going to do, I'm going to open my command prompt. So then we can copy this entire text and we are going to paste it here. So once we have pasted, so we are going to execute a very simple command, AWS S3LS. So you are able to see, I'm able to list down all the buckets within this specific session. So Windows command prompt is one of the options. You have the flexibility to generate the credential for PowerShell. Same goes for the Linux or Mac OS, or you can generate a credential file as well. So I think that's it, everybody. Thanks a lot for watching this short video on how CyberArk can help you to generate a short-lived credentials for your connection to the AWS CLI or some other specific purposes. Thanks.